In this video, I'll show you how to open and verify an Exness account, step by step. First, you need to access the Exness platform by downloading the Exness app from the Play Store. If you already have downloaded, open the app and then tap on the Register button to start the process. Begin by completing the You Are Human verification to prove you are not a bot. Once that is done, you can start creating your account. Select your country from the list, and then enter your email address carefully. Make sure to choose an email that you actively use, because this will be needed for verification and receiving account notifications. After that, create a strong and secure password. Your password should be between 8 and 15 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and at least one special character to ensure account safety. If you have a partner or referral code, enter it in the field provided, otherwise, you can skip this step. Next, you will choose the type of account you want to create. You have the option to create a real account, to trade with real funds, or a demo account, to practice trading without risking real money. For this tutorial, we'll be create one solution to its profits. First, we'll be creating a real account, so select Real Account on one solution. Click on Get Started Now, and Exness will send a verification code to your email. Open your email inbox, find a code, and enter it in the app to confirm your email address. After confirming your email, you will need to fill in your personal details, such as your first name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, gender, and your residential address. Carefully check that all the details match your official documents to avoid verification issues later. Next, you will answer questions about your account purpose and trading experience. 4. What is the purpose of opening your account? Select investment. Choose your current employment status, such as employed, student, part-time, or business owner, and then provide details about your education or profession. You will also be asked to select your primary source of income and wealth, and provide your annual net income and your anticipated investment amount. These details are important for regulatory compliance and to help Exness understand your trading profile. You will also provide information about your trading habits. For CFT market or trading frequency, select how often you plan to trade, for example, over 100 trades if you are an active trader. For the Open Position Auto Close option, choose Yes to ensure that positions automatically close if the market moves against you and there are insufficient funds to maintain the position. Then, select your trading goal for the next year, such as becoming a full-time professional trader, and answer the question about how you found out about Exness, such as through YouTube. Carefully review all your answers before submitting them to make sure everything is accurate. After completing your profile, you will need to verify your phone number. Exness will send a verification code via SMS to the phone number you provided. Enter the code in the app to confirm and link your phone number to your account. The final and most important step is identity verification. You will need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a national ID card, passport, or driver's license, and provide both front and back images. Make sure the images are clear and readable. Exness will review your documents, and once everything checks out, your account will be fully verified. After verification, you will have full access to all Exness features, including trading on real accounts safely and securely.